Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini website. First, open your web browser and type in the Gemini website address. Once the page loads, you'll see the main interface where you can start interacting with the AI. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're new to AI tools. Just look for the text input box to begin your first conversation. To get the most out of Gemini, simply type your question or prompt into the chat box. Think of it like having a conversation. The more specific you are, the better Gemini can understand and respond. For example, instead of "tell me about dogs," try "explain the benefits of owning a golden retriever." Don't hesitate to rephrase your prompts if the initial answer isn't quite what you're looking for. After Gemini provides a response, take a moment to read it thoroughly. If something isn't clear, you can ask follow-up questions right in the same chat thread. This helps Gemini build on the previous context. You can also give feedback on the quality of the response, which is valuable for improving the AI over time. It's an iterative process, and your input makes a difference. Beyond basic questions, Gemini offers advanced features like summarizing lengthy articles or generating creative content such as poems or scripts. You might also find tools for image generation or even coding assistance, depending on the version you're using. Take some time to explore the different modes and capabilities available. And hey, while you're exploring, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.